Hey guys, Tommy House here. We are in the unofficial start of severe weather season, and that means we're watching some daily showers and storms. Not a complete washout, although this weekend I'll mention a higher rain chance, but today some hit and miss showers and thunderstorms. Right now, just a few sprinkles on the map. Big picture zooming out. Lone Star State is fairly dry. And we have some more steady rain up toward Wichita, Kansas, further east, Kansas City, Missouri, parts of Oklahoma, Arkansas, and now the Midwest getting in on some action this morning. Today, a level 1 out of 5 on the low end. Isolated strong to severe storm that increases to level 2 out of 5. Waco, Dallas, across those same areas that are getting some showers this morning. So a little closer to home, we're in these popcorn shower and storm setups, at least through the next 2 to 3 days, where we have plenty of storm energy. So the yellow and the orange, that is the available storm energy, and there is a significant amount of it. We look at joules per kilogram. That's the CAPE, which is that thunderstorm fuel. We're seeing amounts over 1,000, which is considerable for a springtime setup. And we have a front that's to our north and west that'll help lift and develop some of these storms with some surface heating. Saying a lot of big words here, but let me break it down for you. Thunderstorms need lift, moisture, and instability. They need some sort of lifting mechanism to get some of that storm energy to move up in the atmosphere and create these big clouds. When the cap is in place, which is a lid, it's a lid of warm air, it's hard for storms to develop with this temperature inversion. Essentially, the storm energy that you just saw can't get up to those upper levels. But if you have enough of a lifting mechanism, you have enough of surface heating, the cap breaks, energy bursts through the cap, and now we're dealing with quick developing severe storms that are possible. Computer models have the cap kind of in place today, not really too impressed with the data that we're looking at. Through 4 o'clock, some spot showers, downpours. This shows some higher probability of severe weather to our north. 8 p.m. Waco, Dallas, and then through the remainder of the evening, things should be clearing out. Another computer model has the sprinkles this morning, a little bit of clearing skies, and a few slow-moving cells. Notice that we have some coverage. But again, this is an I-35 up toward Parker, Dallas, Red River Valley, and Oklahoma. So our rain chance here is limited. We're saying up to 1/4 of an inch plus, because if you get a slow-moving cell, quick inch just like that, but most will be dry. The rain chance shows Thursday, same thing. Friday, same thing. Although Friday, Saturday, Sunday, notice the widespread coverage here, and I think the best chance for a severe weather window is going to be Friday into early next week. So let's talk about Friday here. So the latest Storm Prediction Center outlook for Friday has a level 3 out of 5 just north of Texas, into Oklahoma, into Kansas, into Missouri, and then that level 2 out of 5 kind of creeps down into parts of Williamson, Milam, Burnett, Lampasas, and San Saba. So something to watch Friday into Friday night. The European, which is the medium range deterministic model we use as we work into Wednesday night, that's tonight. Notice a few cells by Thursday. Not sold on Thursday. I think, 10 to 20% with a lot of more sunshine. But into Friday, we're going to get, again, the same kind of setup. We're going to have a dry line. We're going to have, again, that weak front boundary moving in. And there's the possibility for some of these cells to fire up that are strong to severe. Through Friday night into Saturday, we have finally the slow-moving front, which, let me draw the front for you, comes slicing through central Texas. You get that dry air to the north. You get the instability from the south, and that's going to allow for some strong storms in Austin. Saturday night into Sunday, same thing. Front sort of stationary, and we could see another front, another storm system kick in by Tuesday into Wednesday, but when you're several days out, you're not really going to see a high-resolution, clearer view. Though, again, that storm energy is going to be in place here. We have plenty of it through the afternoon. Will it break through the cap and allow for an isolated severe storm, or will it stay with some scattered showers? It's always a great reminder to download a KXAN First Warning Weather app. It has a radar on there. Meteorologist Freddie Vela and I will have your forecast from 11 to 1. Meteorologist Nick Bannon's in through the evening. So we got a team that's watching the storms through the night. And as we have a rain chance through next week, always a great reminder to have some sort of way to receive those severe weather alerts. Have a great rest of your day.